Hello everyone, this is Amen Love. Yeah, I'm showing you how to prepare my black soup. These are my protein fish, my smoked chicken. Yeah, this is my stripe, gizzard, beef, all protein in here. Depends on the one you want to use. Depends on your choice. These are my seasonings, all seasoning purpose. In there I have salt, chicken stock. I have different seasoning. Here in there I have my grounded pepper and onions. I'm just stirring it. I'm going to allow it to boil for some minutes. Here you go. I'm going to take out the fish. Because the reason why I'm taking out the fish, it won't get scattered inside the soup, because of bone. Yeah, I'm putting in my dry smoked fish. So I'll like to boil it for some minutes. In there, yeah, I have my crayfish. Just pour in my crayfish. Here comes my bitter leaf. My boiled bitter leaf, So after boiling, then I blended it. So I like to just, cook for some minutes. Then I'll pour in my banga so that it can make it thicker. So I just use that banga as a thickener inside the soup. So I'll just allow it to boil for some minutes. Here I have my pepper soup spices and my banga stick in there. So I'll just stir it and allow it to boil. Here you go. Oh my goodness, the aroma is so inviting, very delicious. I'm putting in my protein, my fish in. Remember I took it out so it won't get scattered inside the soup. So I just I just put in my fish so that allow it to boil together with all the protein in my soup. Wow, look at that. Here you go, my soup is ready. My delicious black soup. You can use it to eat any swallow of your choice. If it's pounded yam, if it's oat swallow, if it's eba, any swallow of your choice. You can use it to eat. So try to eat this black soup with rice, because I haven't tried it with rice. So if you want to try that, it's all left for you. But me, I normally used to eat my swallow. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe.